Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Wuben T102 Pro. Now I had done a previous review on their T102, and this is an upgraded version, so it has more lumen output. And I just want to thank Wuben, who sent me this directly, and they also included a nice Wuben flag, which is really nice, and I appreciate that. And that's what that looks like. Appreciate that very much. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in. Now this is a complete kit. Now mine came with both a European and American plug style, so you can easily take those off and interchange them should you travel. Comes with the user manual. And I'll go ahead and put these specs on the screen for you. That way you'll be able to see them a lot better. And it's basically just a fold out here. Alright. Comes with a warranty card. Comes with a Type C charging cable. And this is a very nice quality, by the way. Comes with a lanyard. And it's already roped out there for you, which is nice. Has a quality check emblem there. Extra set of O-rings. I'll show you, this is the USB wall charger. Now this comes off very easy. There's a little push button here. You can just turn this, comes right off. Super easy to change them should you want to use them. Or if you're from another country that requires this one, easy to swap those out. Comes with a very nice high quality cell. The previous cell on the other model was showing 5,000 milliamps, but it actually rated in my testing at 5,600 milliamps, which was quite a bit more than the rating, which is really nice. And again, this is a protected cell. $26,650. Alright, and let's take a look at the light. Now cosmetically, I'm not seeing any kind of changes as far as the design is concerned. And we'll show you the charging port there. Okay, so now this is running the Cree XHP 70 LED. It's got a deep reflector. Smooth. Nice steel bezel on there. Now, the difference between this version here is this one here is 3,500 lumens on turbo, and the previous model was 3,200 lumens. So a little bit brighter. And it has a tripod mount there at the end on the tail cap. Just really nice machining. Design on this is really nice too. Excellent. Not a sharp edge on this. A lot of heat sinking on this. Just really nice. Button, of course, is almost flush, so you can clearly feel it if you're looking, searching for it in the dark. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the insides here before I put the battery in. And there's the spring. Nice heavy duty spring on there. Well greased on the threads. And the barrel, I cannot take it off, but spring is heavy duty. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this battery in here and go through the UI. Now the one thing I like about these Wuben lights is they come with an outstanding carrying case, and I use them, believe it or not, to store my lights in, and it's really nice. Comes in handy, easily for travel use. It's got some nice build quality on this, so definitely a plus. And we'll go ahead and move this out of the way so we can do the UI. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through the UI. We'll press and hold that to turn it on. Now as you see, that's blue. That gives you your battery level. Now if that starts off on blue, you have a 100% to 50%. If it's red when you turn it on, you have 50% to 20%. Now if it doesn't come on at all and you can't go into any higher levels on the user interface, then that won't come on at all, and of course you'll be stuck with the lower light outputs. And that's just showing you that this does have a nice built-in battery level. Okay, so we're going to continue on. That is really bright. Wow. And look at that beam. Nice spot. It does have a little bit of a bleeding here into the spill, which is not bad. That'll help you get a nice kind of a mixture of flood and spot. It's really nice. And that is really bright. Now that has more of a neutral color to it. So, and then clicking that goes back. Now, it goes back down to low. All you have to do at any light level output, you can double click on that to get strobe. Double click on that again to get SOS. And you can double click it again to go back to strobe, or you can click it once to go back to the regular UI. And it turns it off, and that's all there is to this. Pretty simple on the UI, incredible build quality, and very nice to have a complete kit. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the new Wuben T102 Prometheus. Now this is the version 2. It's got a little more light output. So we're going to go ahead and start off. And that starts off on low, showing you the Wuben. And it is making, that's about 10 feet there. 7 feet. And of course all the way up to my feet here. And that's about 35 feet there. Alright, so we're going to go to the next level. And that's really nice. It's got a nice color temperature on this, more of a 5K, which is nice. Alright, now we're going to go to the next level. Really nice light output at this level. Reflecting back off of the water spout, so we're going to move along here. And it is making it across the park, as you can see. And that's quite a ways away. 60 feet. Fence line, tree line, fence line. Really nice beam shot for you there. Alright, so we're going to pan around. And it is making it across at those other trees out there. Making those bleachers. And the famous tree of life. Always a pleasure to see. And then of course it's making the school there. Very nice. Alright, so we're going to go up to the next level. Look at that. Wow. 3,500 lumens. And look at the beam on this, how that looks there. Coming out of that thing. Crazy. Look at that. And this is small in comparison to other lights. It's got a skinnies out there a little bit at the tail switch. So pretty much easily making it across the park there. And it makes it for easy to carry. And the style and design is really nice. As you can see, it's making it across the park. Making that tree of life. That's really impressive. And it is faintly making those palm trees, but very nice. Making those bleachers with ease. Making the park there easily. And that's just to give you, there's a spot in the very middle of the screen. And I'm just going to pan around so you can see the beam profile there. Beautiful shot. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is definitely a nice improvement. I did see the difference. I had the old one and I had this one here. And you can see probably about 15 to 20% brighter. So that is an improvement. It is clearly noticeable. As far as a huge difference night and day, no. So it is nice to see them improving on a very nice model of their line of flashlights. This is probably one of my favorites. As far as size wise, a little bigger than you'd want to carry in your pocket, but nonetheless this thing really performs very well. If you use the included battery, you should be able to get at least 5 or 6 hours of runtime, not on turbo but on the high and medium settings, which is very impressive. I just want to thank Wuben again for sending me this to review. My hat's off to them. Keep improving. They are definitely providing high quality lights for that market out there. Kit here comes with everything you need to get this thing up and running after you charge it, of course. Just top notch on performance. I'm really liking Wuben. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these light packages or kits to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.